Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this episode, I'm gonna walk you through the steps on how you can delete your Vinted account. So in order to delete your Vinted account, all you have to do is just make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. Now then, to begin with, first thing first, you have to go ahead and log in into your Vinted account. So after you're logged into your Vinted account, then from the drop down menu, go ahead and tap on the profile icon located right at the bottom. So after you click on the profile icon, that's going to take you to the other interface. After you tap on the profile icon, go ahead and tap on the settings icon. And once you click on the settings icon, then you need to go to account settings once again. And after that, you have to go ahead and scroll down a bit and go to delete account. Once you tap on delete account, then you need to give a reason for deleting your account. So confirm it and click on the delete button, and after you've done that, you've successfully deleted your account. So in that way, you can delete your Vinted account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.